All right, everybody, what is going on? I'm gonna go over the sum function in Google Sheets. So this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the sum function in Google Sheets so you can quickly add numbers together. This is one of the most basic and useful formulas in spreadsheets, and by the end of the video, you're going to know several different ways to use it. All right, so the formula is you have to hit equals, sum, and then the numbers. Okay, or you can choose cells. That's what we're going to do. We're going to pick cells, but this is the syntax for it. Okay. All right, so let's get started. So we want to add the numbers here in this column. So all we're going to do is we're going to hit equal, and then we will type sum, and then open parenthesis, and then all we're going to do is just select this with our mouse and close the parenthesis and hit equals, and it adds the cells up for us. Okay. All right, so if you look at the formula up here, notice how there's a colon in between. So what this colon does, it says B4 colon B7. So what it's doing, it's adding all the cells from B4 to B7, which is right here. Okay. See if I click on it, it highlights it in a yellowish color right there. Okay. Another thing you can do is you can add individual cells. So in other words, if you have like spaces in between, so what you can do is you can come over here and hit equal, and then you type in the sum function, open your parentheses, and you can type in the cells. Like this would be H4 comma, and then we want H6 comma, and then H8, and we close the parentheses and we hit enter, and it adds them up just like that. Okay, and you can see if we click in there, it's this cell, and this cell. So another way you can do it, I typed in the cell name, but another thing you can do, you can hit equals, and you can type in sum, and you click the first one, and then you, on a Windows, you would hold your control. On a Mac, it would be options, and then you hold the control or option, whatever you're on, and click the next one, and then close your parentheses and hit enter. Okay. All right, the next thing I want to show you is, let's suppose we want to add up this column here, this B column, and this H column, and we'll put the answer, I don't know, maybe right here. So you can hit equals, type in sum, open parentheses, we drag and choose those cells, left click and drag, and then let's say we want to highlight all of these cells in case we're going to put numbers in here later. So you would hold your control or option key and select these, and then close your parenthesis and hit equals, and it adds those up. So you can see the formula here. See how it's B4 to B7, there's a colon between them, and then a comma, and then you got H4 to H8. That's these over here. See if we click up here, it'll select them. See how this one's selected in purple and the yellow here. So that's what it did there. All right, next thing is, let's hit delete there. Let's suppose you want the sum right here. All right, and we want to sum it real quick. Maybe you don't want to use the sum formula. Well, you've got this little functions right here. Well, let's see, and you can click sum, and it throws it in there with the parentheses. and then you can just select them and hit enter. Does the same thing. All right. So yeah, that's just some that's another way to do it. You can type it in, or you can come over here to where your functions are. Now, you know, I mean, this is good. Here's all of them. Here's all of them, and they're in alphabetical order. I mean, it can take a while going through them, but it's got some of the more common ones up here, or maybe the last ones you used. Okay. All right, and then the next thing I want to show you is, notice here how we have text in here. So say right now you don't have a gas bill. Well, you can hit equals, type in sum, and you can select all of these and hit enter. And what it does, it just adds the ones with the numbers. It ignores the text. Okay, so if you have text in there, don't worry about it. It'll ignore it. You know, just put the text in there, and if it changes, then, so if we come up here and, you know, later on you get a gas bill or something, you can just type the number in, say, I don't know, $110, and it'll update the number. And then if you type in none again, it'll take it out. But yeah, that's the sum function in Google Sheets. It's pretty basic, but you know, it helps to know a few different things about it. So that's how you use it. If this helped, if the video helped you, make sure you like the video and subscribe. I'll do some more spreadsheet tips. Check out my other videos, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.